Mr. Peralta, did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Welcome to the bench of justice.
All right, the court is going to call 2016 CR 8066, State of Texas versus Angel S. Peralta. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
for the defense?
Nothing like you.
Are you Mr. Peralta?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Angel S. Peralta who was placed on community supervision in 2016 CR 8066 for the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more on January 9, 2017 for 5 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The court is seeing on the docket sheet that the defendant had previously entered pleas of not true to each allegation, and that this was set for a contested hearing today. Mr. Peralta, are you requesting to change your pleas to those allegations?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Would you like me to read off? Here?
Yes.
Okay. Violated condition number 2, on or about the 10th day of January 2022 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Angel S. Peralta, did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court supervision officer in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Violated condition 2, on or about the 3rd day of January 2022 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Angel S. Peralta, did then and there failed to submit to drug testing as directed by the court or supervision officer in violation of condition.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State waives all the violations.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Peralta, did you understand by pleading true to violations 2 and 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to $1,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2 and 2?
Okay. Yes.
Court will find violations 2 and 2 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, there is. It's to extend the defendant's probation for 2 years, amend for mental health screening, for him to register for the access program through the Center for Healthcare Services, and also to impose DDRF.
All right, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Peralta, are you asking me to follow that agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I have a few questions. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. So why were you not testing? What was stopping you from doing that?
Because I got sick, I got the COVID, I had leg sores, and I couldn't work. They repossessed my truck.
So probation, how was he doing on probation before? Because it seems to me that maybe you were not doing well on probation before because you've been extended before.
I was having family problems. So, I know.
Judge, it looks like there was issues with drug tests.
Because I
Drug tests?
Drug tests due to funds. And it looks like fees were an issue in general due to personal finances. Even a vehicle was repossessed back in October 2022. There was trouble with reporting logging onto Zoom due to his medical conditions, which required isolation. So it looks like fees and medical issues were an issue with reporting compliance probation.
Okay.
That we're contributing to. It's not proposed.
All right, so we already know DDRF has a long wait. So, I mean, is there mental health issues? Do you have any diagnosis?
Well, I take medication because I'm diabetic, I have blood pressure, and sometimes I take my anxiety. I get anxiety, like I get depressed because I'm
Do
not.
you have a
married.
doctor?
Yes, ma'am. Well, I go to Central Med because I don't have insurance. So I have to go over there and they're the ones that help me. Because I live by myself, you know what I mean, saying I gotta pay rent, pay bills.
All right, is he on ignition interlock or some type of device?
Judge, he's not on any devices at this point then, maybe. Oh, I spoke too soon, sorry. He is on lockout as of September 25th, 2022 with Lifesaver.
Will SATF accept him?
I believe they will, Judge, because he previously completed that back in 2017.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna deny the motion. I'm gonna extend you for 2 years. I'm gonna send you to SATF. And once you release from SATF, I'm gonna do a referral for felony drug court. And felony drug court will be able to help you with your financials as far as getting those in order for you. Or if you don't want to be on probation anymore, I can revoke you and I will send you to prison for 2 years.
No, no sign for the probation.
Okay. All right, so we're going to extend him 2 years and we'll do the mental health screening while he's in custody. And we will do SATF followed by felony drug court. What is the wait time for SATF?
Just currently the time for both males and females, about 1 to 2 weeks after medical.
All right. What medical issues do you have?
Medical, like I said, I'm diabetic, high blood pressure, I get anxiety.
Will SATF accept him if he's diabetic?
Judge, if he receives injections, silence, he not be.
All right, how many are diabetes through injection?
Yeah, I have to inject my insulin.
All right, so what about ISF?
I can check that.
All right, we're gonna see if ISF. Because DDRF, the wait time is 32 weeks, so that's not gonna happen. Let me see something. How old are you?
60.
Okay,
Can I say something, John?
yes,
It kind of makes it difficult for me because I'm illiterate.
okay. All right, just give me, okay, just give me a moment, okay.
You asked me something.
No, just give me one moment. All right, everyone, just stay right here. Everyone, give me one moment. Can I mute it? All right, we're back on the record. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to extend you. Could everyone please settle down? I'm going to extend you 2 years. We'll do the mental health screening while in custody. And we're going to do a referral to felony drug court, and he's to remain in custody until accepted. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So felony drug court will come in and speak to you, and you need to let them know what all your issues are.
Yes, Your Honor.
And don't pretend that you don't have an alcohol problem because you're here for a DWI third. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
In this case, the court reviews the probation status of Angel Esperanza Peralta, who was originally convicted in 2017 for driving while intoxicated, a third offense. He had been placed on community supervision, also known as probation, for 5 years, which was later extended. The reason he is back in court is because the state of Texas filed a motion to revoke his probation. This means prosecutors believed he violated the conditions of his supervision and should be sent to prison. Specifically, he was accused of failing to submit to required drug testing on multiple occasions. At first, Peralta denied these allegations. However, during the hearing, he changed his plea and admitted that the violations were true. By doing so, he faced the possibility of having his probation revoked and receiving up to 10 years in prison. Despite this, the defense and the prosecution reached an agreement. Instead of sending him to prison, they recommended extending his probation for an additional 2 years. The agreement also required him to undergo a mental health evaluation and participate in treatment programs. When asked by the judge, Peralta explained that his violations were not intentional. He stated that he had been dealing with serious challenges, including COVID-19 illness, financial hardship, loss of his vehicle, and ongoing medical conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety, and depression. He also revealed that he is illiterate, which made it difficult for him to comply with probation requirements. After considering all factors, the judge decided not to revoke his probation. Instead, the court extended his supervision, ordered treatment, and warned that any future violations could result in prison time.